This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you meet the prerequisites, age limits, required certifications, and any seafaring or maintenance experience. Once confirmed, gather core documents, photo ID, maritime certificates, references, and an updated resume so you can apply immediately. Make sure to record job ID and locations. Next, search active openings with the Port Authority or Coast Guard and note application deadlines. Once you find a match, prepare a short cover statement explaining why your skills fit Lighthouse duties and safety responsibilities. You now complete the official application with careful attention to accuracy. Enter job ID numbers, exact employment dates, and correct contact details. Once done, attach your resume, certificates, and any required medical clearances or background check consents. Make sure to tailor your cover letter to highlight maintenance skills, navigation aid experience, and reliability under isolation. If references are requested, alert them and provide clear contact times. Finally, double-check for missing fields and submit before the posted deadline to avoid disqualification. You finish by tracking your submission, save confirmation emails, monitor reference replies, and watch for interview invitations. Once invited, prepare scenario-based answers about emergency response and maintenance routines, demonstrate safety protocol knowledge, and ask specific questions about shift patterns and logistics. If you do not get selected, request constructive feedback, identify gaps such as certifications or experience, and take targeted training or temporary roles to improve. If technical issues occur during submission, contact the listed support promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.